Y'all, tonight we're just gonna make some bows. So we're gonna measure our long tail. We're gonna give it a good twist. Slide it right in there. Get it a good 7 inches. So we'll go back to a Deco exchange ribbon. All right, let's throw in the yellow next because why not? All right, now let's go in with a pattern. Let's use our star ribbon next. And I'm gonna put one more yellow right in the center loop. So yellow plays a part in patriotic designs, so don't forget to include it sometimes. I don't put it all the time, but I do like to throw the option out there every once in a while. There we go. All right. So let's measure out our 12 inches. We're gonna give it a good twist. Slide it between our pegs. So because we're using the leopard in this one and the 1.5 inch, I'm gonna put the 2.5 on the very bottom. And then we'll work the 1.5 inch into a earlier or another layer. All right. So we measured out to 7 inches. This ribbon is in stock at decoexchange.com. The bow maker is called an Easy Bow Maker. You can get it at decoexchange.com. All right, now we're gonna measure another one. Go right up here. How do you find search on the Deco Exchange website? It's right at the top. Y'all, we're not decorating my tree leopard, just so everyone's clear. So if you guys were thinking we were gonna have a leopard tree, we're not. All right, let's keep going. You like the deeper red with the leopard? Yeah. So I'm just gonna put a single line in here. So just a line. No loops, no anything, just a straight ribbon. Get this one tied off. All right, let's trim it up.